A day after Super Typhoon Rolly ravaged the Bicol region, Vice President Leni Robredo immediately headed back to her home province, Camarines Sur. On Facebook, Robredo shared these photos. Bicol was the region hardest hit by the Super Typhoon.
Nagkukwento kasama natin ngayon yung kapitan. Nagkukwento si Cap na habang punong-puno ng evacuees itong mga classroom dito, nagbagsakan yung sesame. Iba-iba yung damage kasi nawalan ng tubo. Papakita natin yung loob mamaya. Tapos yung mga magkakasunod na nagbagsakan yung sesame. Kaya yung kwento ni Cap, habang kasagsagan ng bagyo, nagre-rescue sila dito at nililipat sila ng mga evacuation center.
Rolly made a landfall in Catanduanes, packing maximum sustained winds of 225 kilometers per hour and causing heavy rains.
Gaya po ng Kalabanga kanina, masamang-masama yung tama pero walang casualty, so okay naman. Ito pong Pili, masama din yung tama lalo sa mga pananim pero wala din casualty. Yung kuryente po dito matatagalan pa yata. So mag-a-update pa po kami paglipat na naman namin ng lugar.
It has been a sleepless night for Robredo. The VP also had been busy monitoring the situation on the ground. Even before Rolly made landfall in Bicol, Robredo's office already provided food packs to residents living in coastal areas. OBP's Angat Buhay Partners and Kamsur Congressman Gabi Bordado helped in packing and distributing the goods.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.